It's Tuesday, September 6, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is 6 home improvement projects to avoid. Now, most home improvement projects probably seem like they are likely going to increase your home's value, but they might actually just make your home harder to sell in the future. So I have 6 projects that you should avoid if you are looking to potentially resell your house in the future. Number 1 is the elaborate professional landscaping that sometimes we like, because having to hire a professional landscaper full-time every month for someone might be very off-putting. Buyers also might want to add their own personal touches to the landscaping once they move in, so it's not really a good investment. Number 2 are pools. So you should consider adding a pool to your home if you are going to be in that home long term to enjoy it. But if you plan on reselling soon in the future, this is an upgrade that you probably want to avoid, and here's why. One is that pools are very expensive. On average, pools cost about $30,000 to install, and depending on the size and type of pool, you're going to be spending a lot more than that. Also, pools add to the overall expenses of a home. For instance, it is likely to increase your home insurance. Additionally, for families that are not trained to swim, a pool actually presents a hazard, so they might not want to look into your property as a result. All right, number 3 is a garage conversion, because not everyone wants an extra room at the expense of losing their garage. I actually had a situation like this in the past where my client really wanted a garage, but the house we ultimately bought did not have a garage because it was converted into another room. My client decided that it was okay and they could live with it, so we did move forward and close. Okay, number 4 is a sunroom. So a sunroom can be a selling point for the right buyer, but ultimately it's just really not worth the money it's gonna cost for you to set it up, because a typical sunroom is gonna cost you about $25,000 to $80,000, and then when you resell the home, you're typically only gonna give back about half of that. So the return on investment is not really a great one. All right, unique wallpaper. This actually has a negative return on investment because it's very difficult to find wallpaper that matches everyone's style. The cost of wallpaper per room, you're talking about anywhere from $1,600 up to $10,000, depending on the size of your room, the type of wallpaper, and the style of wallpaper that you choose. And so instead of this, you just want to consider universal neutral colors. Whites, beiges, tans, grays. I know we're tired of seeing those colors, but it really does allow a new buyer to come in and see themselves in this space without being distracted by all of the colors that you chose for your home. Lastly is number 6, which is a bedroom conversion. This also has a negative return on investment. Removing a bedroom and converting it into a loft or even a walk-in closet is probably one of the worst things you can do for your home. And why is that? Because buyers typically search for homes based on the number of bedrooms they need. So the number of bedrooms your home has is an ultimate driver of your sales price. You want to make sure that you're not decreasing the potential buyers that can see your home, but if for some reason you have to convert your bedroom, leave all of the essential components that make it a bedroom. A bedroom should have a door, a window, and a closet. So don't remove your closet and leave your door frames intact so that a buyer can easily convert it back in the future if they so choose. Now, next week, we're going to talk about some home improvement projects that you should do that will increase your value. But please, if you have any questions about today's topic, reach out to me. We can go into a lot more detail about this, and I can give you a lot more suggestions. Just let me know. I really appreciate you tuning in this Tuesday, this beautiful rainy day. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to the month. Happy back to school for all the kids and teachers that are back in school. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy your day.